The Nubia RedMagic 10S Pro smartphone review. Top hardware for a fast-paced gamer. The Nubia RedMagic 10S Pro is here to shake up the gaming world with raw power, sleek design, and gamer-focused features that make it stand out in 2025, relying on a new overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite leading version chipset, paired with a Qualcomm Adreno 830 GPU. This smartphone is performance beast, capable of delivering some of the fastest gaming experiences currently available on mobile while ensuring smooth visuals thanks to its uninterrupted 6.8-inch near bezel-less AMOLED display running at a blazing 144Hz refresh rate. This is exactly the kind of display gamers crave. No cutouts for the selfie camera, no distractions, just pure, uninterrupted gameplay and immersive content consumption, making it one of the only phones in this price category that truly delivers a flawless full-screen experience. The rear cameras also sit completely flush with the body under the glass cover, meaning there are no camera bumps to disrupt the clean, futuristic aesthetic. This design choice is rare in today's market and already gives the RedMagic 10S Pro a premium edge. But where the phone really flexes its muscles is in raw gaming performance. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite leading version overclocked to new heights, faster peak clock rates for both CPU and GPU mean console-like power in your pocket, combined with cutting-edge LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring lightning-fast app loading, smooth multitasking, and near-instant responsiveness. You also get USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity for high-speed data transfers, meaning this phone is built for future-proofing. Add to that Nubia's signature gaming enhancements like dedicated sensor buttons for in-game controls that provide a real competitive advantage in shooters and racing games. Plus the onboard active cooling system featuring a small built-in fan designed to keep performance stable even during extended gaming marathons. However, while the fan is innovative, it does have its downsides. Noise level can reach up to 44 decibels, which may become noticeable during quiet gaming sessions or video playback. And despite this active cooling, the RedMagic 10S Pro can still get quite hot under heavy load, with surface temperatures rising uncomfortably high at times. This means the phone doesn't always fully exploit the Snapdragon's potential performance, leaving some thermal headroom unused. Another area of compromise is durability and convenience. While the phone features a stylish design with narrow bezels and comes in 3 new color variants, Nightfall, Dusk, and Moonlight, the build is not completely robust. The phone creaks slightly when twisted, and it only carries an IP54 certification, meaning it's neither fully dustproof nor waterproof, something many competitors now offer in the same price range. In terms of onboard features, you get Wi-Fi 7 and 5G connectivity, which are top of the line, but surprisingly no eSIM support and no wireless charging, which are features most premium smartphones now include. Battery life, however, is strong, giving you long hours of gaming or media use without needing to recharge constantly. The linear vibration motor also enhances the gaming experience by offering crisp, precise feedback, and the optical fingerprint scanner ensures fast and secure unlocking. Audio performance is another highlight with stereo speakers tuned for gaming, delivering clear highs and punchy lows, though voice quality during calls remains only average. Moving to cameras. While they are serviceable and perfectly fine for casual shots, they sit firmly in the mid-range category. This is not a camera-focused phone, and that is clear in both hardware and software tuning. So if photography is your priority, this may not be the right choice software-wise. The update cycle has been extended compared to older RedMagic phones, but still lags behind industry leaders like Samsung and Google. So long-term support may be a concern, however. The RedMagic 10S Pro does excel where it matters most to its target audience. Fast, lag-free, high-performance gaming, and display designed for immersive entertainment. Priced at $799 directly from Nubia's online store. The RedMagic 10S Pro comes across as a relatively affordable powerhouse compared to other flagships with similar performance levels, especially when you factor in the unique design without camera bumps and dedicated gaming buttons. The value proposition is solid for gamers who want uncompromising speed and responsiveness without breaking the bank, but it's not a phone for everyone. The compromises such as lack of wireless charging, no eSIM, mid-range cameras, irregular software updates, and heating under load mean that it's not perfect. But if you're someone who prioritizes gaming performance above all else, This device is exactly what you've been waiting for. A smartphone that transforms into a handheld console with thoughtful features for competitive players, sleek design choices that avoid distractions, and hardware tuned for maximum impact. Overall, the Nubia RedMagic 10S Pro is one of the most compelling gaming phones of 2025. Powerful, futuristic, bold, and uncompromising. It shows exactly how far gaming phones have come and what kind of immersive experiences are possible on mobile today. So if you're a fast-paced gamer looking for a performance-focused smartphone with top-notch hardware, a flawless display, and gamer-centric features, the Nubia RedMagic 10S Pro deserves your attention. This was today's deep dive into the RedMagic 10S Pro. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and comparisons only here at TechVerse.